Tight yellow. All right.
Tight blue.
That's gonna be. We're gonna say that from that one. Tight yellow.
One tight yellow. 3, 2, 1, 1.
Oh god. Oh god.
I just
Lagging?
don't get off Yelp.
Network lag. Alright, Eli, here we go.
Tight
Fuck it
yellow,
up.
boys.
That house, that exact
So tight.
house,
So tight.
that
exact
dog house.
boys.
Oh, I want a good game.
Guys, this
Holy
place is litter
dick.
than a titter.
Oh, wow.
And there is a guy. There's a guy very close to this house.
Oh good.
One
okay.
building over.
That's Jason.
I have no gun so far.
Have an
I think I'm dead.
SKS.
Right. Equipping drone. I'm going to find you guys enemies.
Okay.
Roger that.
Do I have an AK if somebody wants?
Top floor yellow.
All right. Looking.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Where? Top floor yellow?
It's already happening.
Top
dog.
floor yellow.
Who else was shooting you, Jason? Anybody?
Just top floor yellow.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
There's what you call a loose yellow. A loose yellow.
What? Dude.
Look how loose
What?
you are over there, dude.
How
Yeah.
loose you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
There he is. He's looking at you. He's looking at you.
Me? Where? Oh my god. Oh my
Okay.
god. Oh my god.
What me?
I got no eyes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my
yellow.
god! Oh, jeez!
Oh.
Guys, he can't
Excuse
have much
me?
ammo in that
Whoa!
house. All 3 of you rush his ass.
Okay. Oh. Rush. What are we doing? Jared?
There's
I
only
pegged
one
him.
guy.
I pegged him.
Rushing, rushing,
I
rushing.
pegged him twice. How am I down? I pegged him twice. He's got 0 health.
Is he in that house?
Yeah, he's
Yes.
top floor.
You
Eli,
move from the top floor.
I'm on the ground next to you. You could.
There's a drone
Grenade?
there.
Yeah.
He's trying to shoot my drone. He's top floor still. He's top floor.
Holy hell.
He's hurt, dude. He's got to be so hurt.
Eli, res me.
All right, I'm getting out. As soon as I figure out how.
Uh,
All right, I figured it out.
What? Wait, JC's lit. Get him. Yeah.
yeah. We did it.
Oh man. Okay.
That's just top tier coordination right there.
This is another guy.
Oh my god, I don't want to die again. He's in their building.
Oh god, I have no guns.
I have no idea if he's in here or not, but
Someone's
just-
droning us.
Oh,
Okay, there's
anti-drone.
2.
Someone's definitely droning us.
Oh god, Jared! Jared!
I
Yes!
got.
Oh no! Ah. Oh god. Oh,
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Yeah!
You sucker.
Come here, Jason.
Sucker
Ah!
dicks.
Ah! Ah!
Guy in the bottom floor of your building. I
God,
pegged him
I'm
once.
coming.
Nice.
Ah! Get out of the way!
Get him, get him, get him.
I have 1 bullet, dude. There we
Oh
go.
my gosh.
God.
Got him.
There's another guy. Another guy. It's me. It's me.
Get me first, get me first.
One guy coming in. Yeah, I'm on stairs. I'll get the
Got
guy.
him. Oh my god.
I have a kit.
Guy's still coming in, I think. Right?
Good for you, dude. I have 0 bullets.
He opened the door. He opened the door. I missed. I'm down. Fuck. Second down for me. He's throwing a grenade.
Yep.
And
Jeez.
crawling, I think. Someone.
Oh my god.
I could use help whenever. I'm by Jason.
Eli, nice, dude. Go for your res, Eli. Or Jason.
Save.
Or Sean.
Me or Jason. I can't, yeah, I'm dead.
Sean, yeah, fuck, he's bleeding out.
I see Jason.
Good, I'm good. That's going slow.
Jared's bleeding out too. Holy dick
I'm on.
suck.
I'm on first lead.
Alright,
I'm so dead.
yeah, someone's
You can
dying.
split. You can split though.
I'll get Jason. I'm good at
Nice.
this.
Oh god, Eli, your head is so you get him. Ah, I'm so sorry.
Oh,
I know
God.
you're right by
Don't you
way down.
move.
Sorry.
Don't you move from me.
Someone's fucking droning us though, 100%. Dropping kits? Dropping kits?
Ah, I gotta swim, dude. Over to you.
A
Hold on.
lot of kits there. I don't have any ammo.
You're alive, Jared?
I'm alive, dude. I'm alive.
Oh my
I need
God.
Some, I need a kit though. You only dropped one?
Yeah, no, I got him. I had to heal.
Holy hell! Oh come on.
Using one.
Shit, I got
Sorry.
19 bullets for me.
As soon as I use
Here's the
this, I'll
drones.
drop it.
Is that your?
Oh, a lot of bullets. A lot of bullets. Car
I shot
98
their
here.
drone out. I shot their drone
I need some shotgun ammo. Yeah, I have zero bullets.
832 there.
I got no shotgun ammo. I need armor and a helmet. Yeah, that's terrible.
Yeah.
A lot of
oh,
dead bodies down here. What do we got? Mosin. Oh, backpack 3. Nice. Kid.
Any armor?
Killers.
Any armor, helmets, anything useful?
I got a flash hider for you.
Great. Sick.
An AR.
I need helmet. Bad.
Helmet here, Sean?
Oh crap.
My guy's got a 3 vest. Is that better than my like? Cause I see what's her face fucking use the 3 vest, or I saw actually it was Chaco using 3 vest damaged over like a 1.
Okay.
Yeah, a 3 is always better than a 2, even if it has like nothing left on it.
It's dependent on where the bullet hits or whatever. There's more coverage.
Holy fuck, this guy's got so much loot.
I must retrieve my drone. Where's my drone?
Was it yours that I killed or was it theirs?
No, I left mine in the other building. Shit, shit.
Okay.
Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
You're
Got it.
dead.
I could use any type of drinks.
My mark behind the little shed.
Oh my goodness.
Crossing the street.
Nice knowing you.
Oh, another drone.
Oh my god, yeah, the Jones.
I love the drone. Eli,
Still
find this
there?
guy.
I don't see him.
Launching drone.
Last time I looked, he was right
Los Angeles and like he was right there.
there. I mean,
How's the
Fine.
circle look? Oh, we're good.
It is a circle.
We are so good.
Can you find this guy?
Give me some type of range. Where is he at?
He's right here, dude. Behind the shed or something. In the shed.
no,
Where'd you
Around
that?
in the shed.
All right,
behind it.
looking.
Alright, use those eyes. See anything?
Yeah, he's prone behind it, right there, yellow.
Yeah.
I got him.
There it is.
Nice.
Did I insta this?
Yeah.
Oh, we are so good.
There's a compensator AR here.
Nice, nice. Sweet.
Guys here. Guys here. 2 guys. 2 guys. 1 building. One's crossing the street. 3 guys. All right, whole team. Fuck. I gotta get out of this. Shit. 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 Who the fuck is shooting us?
Fire your missiles.
Where the fuck are these guys?
Yellow. Big time yellow. There are 3 fucking kids in here. Are you kidding me?
I need fucking armor, dude. I'm so dead.
Anyone need like a 4 times? I have one.
A lot of people there.
Yep.
Gotta be a whole team.
Down one. Other side of the window.
Yep. Yep. Another side of the window there.
Oh, he's right in the same window.
Knocked him. Knocked him. Oh shit!
Shotgun guy in here.
He's in here. Yeah, he's on fire.
He got knocked from fire, maybe?
He had to. I knocked one. That guy's down.
No, I'm down. The guy hit me with a mini.
That guy was
Fuck,
on the door.
man.
He died. Someone just died. I just got an assist. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Yeah, we're all dying, dude.
No, dog, I got you right here. Big turnaround. Here we go.
You're dead, Jason.
No, I did. Totally got him. No one's gonna shoot me, right? 3, 2, 1.
Holy hell. What?
It says I can still come back. I have a comeback arena. If you guys die, you...
See ya, pussy.
Nice.
Oh no!
Watch out! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Holy shit! They were just wrestling in front of each other, right here.
Holy
my
shit,
God.
dude! I have no armor, dude. I have
Oh my
no
gosh.
helmet, no chest.
Yo, I got 40 seconds till comeback arena.
Circle's still good.
Nice.
That's crazy. I feel like it's pretty late in the game.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
There's so much good stuff on this guy. Holy
Yo,
shit.
I really like doing that last comeback arena with you. Now I'm in there alone. Cool.
That stinks.
I just
What's that? You beeping shit?
Who?
I heard a